Hello! Okay, I am headed over to pack up all the crop tees for launch this Friday. I have a lot to pack up. So I'm gonna try to knock that out. And yeah, I can't wait for Friday so we can launch them so I can see the crop tee on every Fitbee. That rhymed. Probably throw in a little time lapse of me doing everything, a little behind the scenes. Be sure to like and subscribe so you could see more stuff, more workouts, more food videos, more recipes, more Fitbee stuff, all that good stuff. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll tune in later. Oh my gosh, Bento's here. Bento, hello, how are you? Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Poster time.
Okay, you're scaring me with the knife cutting. You just cut.
Oh gosh. Like that? Oh. Is it pretty?
Looks really good.
Caitlin, we're on a poster! We're on a poster! Yes! Can we put them on the frames? Is that cute or no? Save that. What were you doing? Dance? Hi, wave. Are you having fun?
What size is this? Medium?
Medium.
Medium? I'm working like a slave, help me.
Headed back home now. Just got done packing a lot of the crop tees. We probably got a little over halfway done. Definitely have to go back tomorrow, probably after my workout, to pack up the rest. But yeah. Galen! Today's back and buys. Yes. Oh gosh, I'm not ready for this.
This is like literally.
Oh my gosh. I need a lot. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. Us not napping. Oh, that's the worst. Oh my gosh. Cheers.
Oh, that one was rough. Ugh. Back day, baby.
Back and buys. Let's go.
We back?
Hello, I am at the Fitbee headquarters, about to print out some orders and pack and ship them off. I kind of cleaned and I'm reorganizing everything because we sold out like a lot of pieces throughout the past year. So I kind of want to clean everything up and just make it look as pretty as possible and to stay organized because my life is a mess and Fitbee cannot be. So this is what I have so far. I don't know. I got a rug, guys. I have a rug. So I got more of these boxes. I really like these boxes from IKEA. So the smaller boxes are good for like older items because I don't have that many. And then we have some older stuff. And then over here, this is our hoodies, our new hoodies that we just got in, and our leggings, mid-rise, high-rise. Holy crap. So this box is our crop sports bras. I had to put both the Noir and Dusty Lilac in one box because there was 3 boxes and now it's down to 1. And I was able to scrunch all the sizes together for the high-rise compression because we sold out a lot of those, and as well as the mid-rise mesh leggings. So yeah, I think I need to order more, you guys. Order more of those leggings because they went really fast. Okay, I'm going to pack up these orders so I can ship them out. So stay tuned. Okay, let's pack up some orders. Yay, all done.